Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh my God! Oh! Oh! What's up, everybody? This is Griff from WadeGuysTV. We're at the lake house right now. We got the mini bike clowns. We're just here to film shenanigans for your entertainment. Let's go. So we brought the 110. We're gonna go ride on the beaches, on the lakes, and supposedly there's some trails we're gonna go rip down. So I don't know what, I've never been here, so we're just about to go trail riding and some shenanigans. So I'm gonna warm up the 110, we're gonna get going. Did you hear that limiter bang? Oh yeah. Whoa! We're riding on a lake! What? This is sick! This is crazy! This is awesome, boys. Look how bumpy it is. I don't know what Tristan's doing, what is going on in his mind right now. Oh my God. What do you think, Hayes? I mean, is that gonna break the bike or what?
Oh hell no, the air boxes are pretty good and sealed. I think he's fine.
Yeah, I mean, that's crazy,
hey,
dude.
$90 engine.
Yeah.
Hey, just an important thing. This is like the most important thing, is if the bike lays down, you have to shut it off. Oh, I know that.
Let's get it, go! No shot. Oh! Come on, go! That was weak.
I think I can do it if I go fast.
Yeah.
Get it out of there.
Get it out, Tristan.
Oh, shit. Hey, don't put it any deeper. That filter's not too high. Right here. All right, you want to try again? Yeah, I'm going to.
I hope you guys like this video. We're risking mini bikes for y'all's entertainment right here. We're flooding these bikes for y'all right here. All right, Tristan's gonna go for a take 2, all right? Let's get it. Good luck, Tristan. Ladybug on me for good luck. Come on, Tristan! Go, Tristan! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh! Go, 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 pin it!
Got off course, Tristan.
Yeah! You got off course, bud.
Hey, just get it to the island, then you gotta come back. You gotta ride the ridge on.
Yeah.
You almost had it.
Hey, you made it one way.
The box on these are pretty high. Like you can see on this one, it's on this side. The intake is like right here. So that's as high as it has to get for him to have any issues.
Okay, well, that water splashed like above his head. That was crazy. All right, it's coming back. Coming back. We're in the splash zone. Send it. Oh! Oh! Come on! Come on! Come on! Pin it! Pin it! Come on! Let's go!
He's out.
Was that a make right there?
That's a make.
I mean, you had to put your feet. You had to put your feet. Hey, Tristan, give me some nuts for that, bro. That was awesome.
That was
Let's go.
This gets so bogged down. It's crazy. It's because of the torque converter. Holy shit.
Bro, I should have stood in the water and filmed that. How was that, Tristan? Was that awesome? I mean, you just rode from one island to another. That's like a. Oh my! Look at.
Hold on, let me take these off. I'm straight up gonna get trench foot, y'all. Hey, y'all think the mini bike will start?
I think we'll start, man. Right up! That was sick, bro. You good, Tristan?
Oh, I'm fine. Let's kick my boots off.
Need some help?
I got it.
There you go.
Are you ready? Reveal.
Yeah. Awesome, bro.
Yeah, that'll do it. I think I can make it across without having to like put my feet down.
Yeah. Oh my God! Oh!
Hey, pull that cord. Pull the cord real quick. See if it moves. Yes! Good.
That was awesome.
No! What?
Did you hydrolock it?
It's stuck. Okay, come here.
Looks like he just went swimming there.
A little bit, dog. A little bit. Oh, that's good.
What happened? Is it cooked?
It's full of water.
Yeah.
It's okay. Bruh. It's fixable.
Yeah, just get all that water out. It has some mud in it too.
Yeah, it's fine. This way. Yeah. I'm hanging the wheel off. Oh, okay. Try it. Both knees are good. Perfect. That's gonna work perfect. Let me sound!
Full speed.
He took it to tunnel property.
Alright, let's see what is in.
Yeah, that's the only reason why. Anyway, what you want to do? Let's check if he has any carb cleaner. Let's fucking jump the lawnmower.
Tristan's just feeling reckless.
Jump the lawn.
So while Tristan tries to find some dry clothes, we got our NASCAR pit crew right here working on the bikes.
All right, let's see
Go.
how much is in here.
Oh. Cameraman never dies.
Or it'll just start.
Cameraman never dies. Here we go. Good luck, Hayes. Hey! Oh! Ah! Let's go!
That was the ether burning off.
Let's go. Runs like it never got sunken in the water.
That's first pull. Not fake. That's serious.
This-
first pull.
This is real. And Tristan still has not found dry clothes yet, and we just fully repaired. They fully repaired a fully submerged bike, so that's incredible. That's impressive right there. We're going trail riding. I don't know where we're going, but we're going trail riding. He's getting humped by a mini bike. I guess Hayes has not learned his lesson about submerging mini bikes. Pick it up, pick it up.
Pick it up. Hurry, hurry. This is so fucking sketchy.
Oh no.
It's fine.
There we go.
I thought whiskey are in the lake.
I know. He's safe. This is Mayor's first time ever on a bike. How about to see this? First ever time on a motorized bike. You want to wear my helmet?
Yeah, hold on. Let's get him in on it.
All right, here. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Yes.
Wear it on your hat if you want to. It don't matter.
I'm not double hatting.
We could share some sweat.
Yeah, I gotta stay safe.
I don't have lice, so.
I don't know, man.
You're about to. Okay.
Oh, there we go. He's on. Oh! Oh! Look at him go. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, it's gonna like float. Get out of the way. It's the first one.
Got it. Twister.
Yeah, I'm using my bike.
Whoa!
Use my body. I keep thinking it's like a mountain bike where I can use my body.
And we know by now, if he breaks it, I'll fix it.
Yeah. He ain't gonna break it. No, he's doing good. This is Griff from Wade Guys. Thank y'all for watching. Tristan, thank you for sacrificing your bike, even though it cranked right back up.
Ah!